In this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is for a pupil to access teacher study cards on Quizlet. So first of all, as the student, I've opened up the app and I'm going to choose the search function at the bottom and select users. I'm going to search for a teacher's username. So as a teacher, what you would need to do is share your username with your pupils. Now I've searched for the username, and what I'm then faced with as the student is all of the study cards that teacher has created in the past. Let's have a go at the drum kit elements, for example. Now we can approach this information in a number of different ways. For example, let's have a go at the flashcards. Now you can see here these are just like traditional flashcards. Now once I'm happy with all of the keywords that are on the flashcards and I'm happy with all of the terminology there, I can go back and approach the information in a different way. So let's have a go at the matching game. Now hopefully, as this is demonstrating, it's actually not a good idea for the students to just jam their fingers on the touchscreen and try and match up the terms and definitions as quickly as they possibly can. If they get one wrong, then they're docked points, so really they want to read the information and get it right first time. So there you go, that's how quickly and easily the teacher can connect their pupils with some meaningful learning content on Quizlet.